Hi, Declan Mac here from declanmac.com, and before I actually show you how to earn $30 per hour, just before I do that, I want you, if you can, to subscribe. Press the subscribe button, give me a like, and if you are interested in future videos that I'm going to be bringing up, then I want you to be on board. So give me a subscribe, and then you'll know when I am posting these videos, because they will be frequently posted on how you can make this type of money on the internet, and it'll improve your life. It sure will. It has done mine. So before we go into it, as I said, press subscribe, hit me a like, and then you will know, you get notifications when I post some videos up. Even the bell button as well, and then you definitely know when I'm going to post these. So $30 an hour, it is as easy as it says. So I'm in Google here, so I'm typing in just a website, user testing, USER testing. There we go. Boom. This is such an easy method. You don't have to have any qualifications. You don't have to be tech savvy. You just, it's very simple. It's just $30 an hour by visiting websites. Right. So that we're looking for here, user testing. So usertesting.com. Get paid to test. That's the website. And then up here is the section we want. My internet is slow today. So, get paid to test. And this is all about just going out there and testing stuff on behalf of this website, and you get paid for it. So, earn up to $10 per test. Visit a website or an app. Complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and get paid $10. So basically what you do is you visit these websites that user testing asks you to visit, and they want to see what type of experience you have on their websites, on these people's websites, because they want to pass on the information. So generally what you're doing is just seeing, is it user friendly? Is there anything that can be changed about the actual website? Is there anything that will make the experience easier for you and for people in the future who are going to be customers for their website? So that's basically it. Just go. It'll take you per test or per task, it'll take you probably 15-20 minutes to do it. But again, you're just going in and you're giving your feedback to this website on how you got on, and then you get paid to your PayPal. I think it is. It is, yeah. Get paid $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. User testing pays you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tasks, and speak your thoughts out loud. So just tell them, give them the feedback of how you got on that particular website. These are the people that they deal with. More than 700,000 tests taken by users for companies like Microsoft, Apple, Twitter, eBay. Like they're big guys that have worked with these companies. Dropbox, Adobe, Evernote, Facebook even as well, I see over there. So, I mean, what do I need to get started? So this is asking you need a computer, an internet connection, obviously, ability to download our testing software, which is simple. You must be 18 years, ability to speak your thoughts aloud in English. How much can I make? While user testing is a great way to earn a few extra dollars on the side, it won't make you rich. The number of opportunities you receive will depend on a number of factors. And it depends on your demographics as well. So different demographics, if you're in different countries, they'll give you different tasks. And then you just sign up and you start giving feedback and earn money today. So, I mean, folks, it's that simple to earn money online. Do you know what I mean? I'll just go through my notes here because I've gone through this website. And again, all they want to see, if you have any difficulties on it, they're giving you small tasks. It's an easy way of exchanging time for money. $10 a pop you're getting for these. And that's about it. It is probably one of the simplest ways to make money, handy money. You won't get rich from it, as I said, but $10, $20, $30 an hour is easily acceptable. If you get $30 an hour, so you do 3 hours, that's $90 a day. It'll $90 a day, 7, 9, 6, $660 a week, easily just from going in and giving your experience on this website. So that's what it is today, folks. Down the line, I'm going to have other ways where you can earn that type of money online as well. I want to share the experience that I've had with my online journey onto you as well, because I know a lot of people find it difficult to make money online, and it's not as difficult as as some people make out to you. It really isn't. So little tasks like this, $30 an hour is easily accessible. And the more hours you put in, the more money you're going to make. So thank you for watching my video. Again, press subscribe, give me a like down below, a thumbs up, and then you're going to hear from me soon. Declan Mac, talk to you soon.